In today's video, I will walk you through how to see Spotify listening history. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. If you have just launched Spotify, give the app a moment to sync, especially if you have recently been listening on another device. Once the app is ready, look toward the bottom right corner of the Spotify window. You will see the Q button, which has an icon that looks like several horizontal lines. It is located near the volume bar and device controls. If you cannot see all the playback controls, resize the Spotify window slightly until they become visible. Click the Q button to open the side panel. At the top of this panel, you will see the Q view along with a tab labeled Recently Played.
Select Recently Played to view your listening history. The panel will now display a list of the songs and podcast episodes you listened to most recently. The list is arranged with your most recent activity first, so the newest items appear at the top. Each entry shows the title of the track or episode, along with information such as the artist, show, or album artwork. You can scroll through the list to look for something you listened to earlier. When you find the song or podcast episode you want, click on it to start playing it again. You can also open its album or show page if you want to view more details. Your recently played list reflects listening activity across devices that use the same account. However, very short previews or tracks that were skipped quickly might not always appear in the history. The list is also limited to your most recent items. As you continue listening to more music or podcasts, older items will eventually no longer appear in the list. If you do not see something you expect to find, give Spotify a moment to catch up with your recent listening activity. To check your Spotify listening history again, return to the bottom right corner of the desktop app, click the Q button, and select Recently Played. From there, you can scroll through your recent songs and podcast episodes and select any item you want to play again. And that is how to see your Spotify listening history. Thank you for watching.